Solar by Green Greg here. So homeowners often ask me, hey, what if I get a solar pool heating system and I need to replace my roof? Well, this happens all the time actually, and the solar panels can be removed and reinstalled. Of course, all the solar panels have to come off the roof, and also the black pipe that's on the roof also needs to come off. And we actually do this for many roofing companies when they have a home that has a solar system on it and they're replacing the rooftop. We're one of the companies they call up to remove the solar system and reinstall it. As far as the cost, it all depends on how many solar panels, how difficult the install is. So for instance, a 2-story, a tile roof, those cost more money to install, and also what sort of supplies we need and materials to replace. So sometimes the pipes get warped up. Now these are actually in very good shape, but sometimes being out in the heat, they get very warped. Sometimes we need some solar panel fittings, or sometimes even in some cases have to replace the solar panels if they're too old and they're too brittle, because these are made out of plastic. So, but in general, to remove and reinstall a solar pool heater system, normally round trip it's about $1,000 to $2,000 in most cases. If it's a larger system, a more difficult system, it might be more than that. Or of course, if you need to replace the solar panels, that would be another conversation and would cost more. So it all just depends. We do this for several roofing companies, by the way. It will not void your roofing warranty. The solar company makes the roof penetrations for solar, and obviously the solar penetrations are responsible for the solar company. The roofing company warranties the rest, of course. So just like anything else, like if you get tires fixed on your car, then the tire manufacturer is responsible for your tires, right? But the car manufacturer still warranties the rest of the car. So same sort of situation here. So just keep that in mind, but it's done all the time. If a solar pool heater system is installed the proper way, it will not cause a leak inside the home. I have seen some sloppy installs, particularly some stuff done by homeowners trying to do it themselves to save money. They didn't install it properly, and also using that cheap roof cement, and that caused a leak a lot of times. But when they're installed properly and you have a quality product, a trained installer, there's not a problem. So you may be wondering, how long do solar pool heater panels last? They last between 6 years, sometimes 15 years if you're really lucky, all depending on the brand and the quality of the installation and the environment that they're in. So Solar at Green Greg here. So on this channel, we cover solar pool heating. We also do a little bit of solar hot water, solar PV, also known as home solar or solar electric, and we do energy efficiency. And on this channel, I just try to give homeowners information about solar without the sales talk, and also a little bit of light troubleshooting, things that homeowner can do themselves without having to do a service call or just answer some basic questions. That's what my channel's about. So if that's what you're looking for is information, hey, hit that subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so I can bring you more of this great content. Thank you so much, and you have a great sunny day. Bye-bye.